Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to automatically turn on the night mode on Telegram. Once you have the Telegram app open, guys, click the three lines on the upper left hand side, then click your profile picture, scroll down and click on the chat settings. From here, scroll down a bit and you will see the section that says auto night mode. Once you turn this on, the night mode will automatically turn on when you're in a dark place or when it's night. You can always tap on that, and you can even go ahead and schedule how you want this to be. So you can set it for schedule, and you can set a start time and an end time that could be from 10 p.m. all the way till 8 a.m. Or you can even go ahead and just work with it in adaptive mode if you so desire. It will change depending on the environment that you're in, or when the phone detects that it's in a dark place or light place or whatever it might be. So that's really interesting, guys, how you want this. Then once you go ahead and decide, you can go ahead and you can choose the preferred night mode or choose a preferred theme of your choice. That's going to give you the option to choose from a darker theme. So as you can see here at the bottom, if I leave it for schedule, I can go down and I can choose if I want to be dark or the night, or even something that I've created which is also dark. So you can choose how you want it, and you can always customize this to make it look a bit different if you so desire as well. You can choose that. But that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how you go ahead and auto turn on the night mode or the dark mode on your Telegram application. Very easy and very simple.